Hi kids, welcome to teaching channel. Today is my topic is on a Vedic maths. Today the Vedic maths subject is subtraction with any number. And the trick is subtraction of 2-digit and 3 digits number by using Vedic maths. You have to use this Vedic maths tricks, so you will make it very easy. For that the rule is you have to make lower number with 0 base number. Base number is 0 number. 0 number is 0, 100, 1000 like this. With this figure the 0 should be there. That means you are making a base number. So we will go with some examples. With two figure, find out the lower figure, like 72 minus 43. The lower figure is 43, right? Now you have to add some figures and make it a base figure. In a 43, you have to add some figure to make it a base figure. Base figure, nearest round figure is 50. So for making this amount 50, you have to add 7 to make base figure. The 43 plus 7 is 50. The same thing, you have given 7 chocolates to 43, so that means you have to give 7 chocolates to higher figure also. So you will add 72 plus 7. That means you got 79, and with a lower figure you got 50. So 79 minus 50. We have make it very easy. Why? With a 0 figure you can subtract very easily, because the ones is 9, so 9 will be same 9, but you have to minus 5 minus 7 minus 5, so you will get 2. So 29 is your answer. So this sum answer is 29, but make it easy, we have go on this line, right? Another example, 67 minus 48. First of all, you have to find out which one is the bigger number, is 67, and which one is the lower number. Lower number is 48. So you have to make base figure of the lower number. That is a rule. You have to make base figure of the lower number. The 48 base figure, nearest base figure is 50, right? So how much you will add in 48 to make it 50? You will add 2. So it will get 50, right? Same way you have to give 2 plus 2 higher figure also. So 67 plus 2 is 69. Now you have to minus 50 from 69, and it is very easy. Why it is very easy? With a 0 you can minus very comfortably and very fast. So 9 minus 0 is 9, and 6 minus 5 is 1. So you have to concentrate on this tens number only, because ones will be as it is. So 6 minus 5 is 1. So 1919 is its answer. We will go the another example. 74 minus 39. Which one is the higher figure? 74 is a higher figure and 39 is a lower figure. For making a base figure nearest 39, which will come 40. So you have to add 1. You have to add 1. So you will get base figure 40. Then same thing, you have to add 1 to higher figure. That means you will get 75. Instead of 74, you will get 75. Now the main thing is, one's number will as it is, 5 will be same. You have to just minus 7 minus 4. You will get 3. 3 and 5 will be same. So 35 is your answer. And this answer is of this sum. Don't forget all these things. After that you have to do all the things with a mentally. Okay, I am just giving the step. Now we will go toward according to step. 78 minus 49. First step is you have to find out which one is the higher figure and which one is the lower figure. You have to find out 7 minus 4 possible hai? Yes. And 8 minus 9, you can minus 9 from it? No. So for that you have to make a base figure. So 49 का nearest base figure is 50. So you have to add 1 to make it 50. 50. Same thing, same number, you have to give the higher number. 78 plus 1 is 79. So from 0 figure you can minus very easily. The single number once is will be same, but you have to just deduct 5 from 7 is 2. It is very easy. You can minus 5 from 7 is 2. 2 and 9 your answer. So this sum's answer is 2 and 9. This is the steps. Now the fifth one is 88 minus 77. First step is find out which one is the higher number, this, and which one is the lower number, 73. You have to just check. You can minus 7 from 8, yeah. You can minus 3 from 8, yes. But I am just giving to an example that if you find this, then you can do it very easily. But with base number you can do it, but you have to check this thing. If you check, 8 minus 3 is 5 and 8 minus 7 is 1. It's a very easy. But we have done this way also, so answer will be same. But first of all you have to check that you can minus from upper figure to lower figure. Now we will go toward 3 figure subtraction, right? 157 and 147. 157 and 257 and 149. 257 and 149. Right? The higher figure is 257 and lower figure is 149. Now you have to check it. You can minus 1 from 2? Yeah. You can minus 4 from 5? Yes. You can minus 9 from 7? No. So this figure, you have to maintain this figure. What you will do? You have to take only 2 figure, 49 and 57. So 49 को base figure बनाने के लिए you have to add 1. 49's nearest base figure is 50. So you have to add 1. So 49 की जगह 50 आए तो 149 plus 1 is 150 and 257 you have to add 1. 257 add 1 is 258. Now you have to minus it very easily. 8 is single number. Ones is ones, 8. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. So that is your answer. Just you have to follow the steps. You have to follow the steps. First is higher figure, lower figure. You have to check which number is not deducted from this, and according to that you have to do it. Then the 693 minus 285. Which one is the higher figure? 693. Which one is the lower figure? 285. So from 2 you can minus from 6? Yeah. From 8 you can minus from 9? Yes. 5 you can minus from 3? No. So you have to take 2 figure at a time and make a base figure. So 85, what is the base figure of 85 is 90. So 85 plus 5 is 90. So 285 plus 5 is 290. And 693 plus 5 is 698. Now you have to do the base number. You can single numbers. Once is as it is 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is your answer. 678 minus 251. Which one is the higher figure? 676. And which one is the lower figure? 212. Just check it. You can check it. You can minus 2 from 6? Yeah. You can minus 5 from 7? Yes. You can minus 1 from 6? Yes. See, these steps are not needed. but I am giving just for an example. Okay, if you check this, you will finally you will get answer in a easy way. 6 minus 1 is 5 and 7 minus 5 is 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So 4 to 5 is your answer. These are not needed, but I am showing you that instead of plus you can do minus also. So the thing is you can do minus also. Now we will go with the carry forward technique. See, the number is 735. Higher number is 735 and lower number is 446. Just check it. From 7 you can minus 4. Yeah. From 3 you can minus 4. No. And from 5 you can minus 6. No. So for that, don't go toward base number, because two numbers are not cooperating us. So what you will do, you have to just put arrow here, because we are borrowing from another our neighbor. So arrow means 5 ki jagah you have to add 15. So 15 minus 6 is 9. You have borrow it from 3. So 3 will be remain 2. But from 2 you cannot minus 4. So put arrow and make 12. Instead of 3 you have to make 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Then 3 has borrowed from 7. So it will come 6. 6 minus 4 is 2. Arrow means you have to add 10. 5 and 1. So 10. So 15. यहाँ से हमने borrow किया. You have borrow from 3. So dots means you have to reduce one number. So 2. 2 still you have to borrow from 7. So 12. And dot you have to just focusing on arrow. Arrow means you have to add 10. 15 you have to add 10. 12. And the dots means you have borrow from here. So your number will be one number less. Instead of 3 you have to put 2, and instead of 7 you have to put 6. Another example. 5. Example 5th is figure is 654 and minus 2 to 7. Which one is the higher figure? 654. And which one is the lower figure? 227. You have to just check it. From 6 you can minus 2. Yeah. From 5 you can minus 2. Yes. But from 4 you can minus 7. No. So here is a lower figure, but it is very difficult. But you can do a base figure. But you go this way. From 4 you have to arrow. Arrow means you have to add tens. 14. 14 और ये arrow कहाँ से आपने borrow? You have to borrow from 5. So 14 minus 7 is 7. Dot means you have to reduce one number. So instead of 4 there is 5, there is 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. I am explaining second time. 654 is a higher number, 227 is a lower number. You have to just check it. You can minus 2 from 6, yeah. You can minus 2 from 5, yes. You can minus 7 from 4 is no. So what you will do, you have to make a arrow. Arrow means you have to add tens. 14. You make 14. 14 minus 7 is 17. And dot. You have to put dot here because you have borrowed from this. So you have to put a dot. Dot means you have to reduce one number. Instead of 5 it will come 4. So 4 minus 2 is 2 and 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is the basic method. Now I will explain in board. Okay. See, the 73 minus 25. The first step is you have to check which one is a higher number and which one is a lower number. So lower number is 25. Now check it. You can minus 2 from 7, yeah. You can minus 5 from 3, no. So what you will do, you will make a base figure. For a base figure, you have to add, nearest base figure is 30. So you have to add 5. And same way to higher figure also you have to give 5, right? What will be the answer? 25 plus 5 is 30. And 73 plus 5 is 7, 8. Now you don't have to think about it. The 6 ones will be the same, 8 will be the same. There will be no changes in this. But you have to just minus 3 from 7. So 48. 48 is the answer of this sum. But we have done with a Vedic matrix, and you can do it after some practice. You can do it very fast and mentally also. So for going mentally, you have to do this thing. Now the another figure is 2, 7, 4, 3-digit number. Then 1, 3 and 5. First step is which one is the higher number, which one is the lower number. Second step is you have to just check it. You can minus 1 from 2, yeah. You can minus 3 from 7, yes. You can minus 5 for 4, no. So what you will do, you will make a base figure of these two numbers, right? So 35 nearest number base figure is 40. So you have to add 5. And same 5 you have to add with higher number, right? So what will be the answer? 135 plus 5 is 140. And 274 plus 5 is 279. Now you have to minus this. 9 minus 0, ones will be the same, 9 will be the same. 7 minus 4, 3. And 2 minus 1 is 1. So 139 is your answer. These steps is only for you, not for others. So that you have to do sometime in the beginning, you have to do with the paper, but after that you have to do with mentally. So 274 minus 135 is 139. Understand? The answer of this sum is 139. Now we will go further. Seven, 4, 5 minus 2, 5, 6. Now which one is the higher number? 7045 is a higher number, and 745 is a higher number, and 256 is a lower number. You have to find out first thing. Now you have to check it. You can minus 2 from 7, yes. You can minus 5 from 4, no. You can minus 6 from 5, no. So this figure is disturbing. So what will you do? First of all, you have to put an arrow here. Arrow means you are adding 10. You have borrow from here, but this arrow means you are putting ones here. So 5 plus 10 is 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. Then you have to put dot here because you are borrowing from this. The meaning of the dot is instead of 4 you have to put 3 because once you gave to 5. You gave to 5. So there is 3. So 3 minus 5 is possible? No. So then what we will do? We will borrow from here and it will come tens. So 4 instead of 3. This is not a 4, it is a 3 because the dots is there. So you have borrow from here. So it will be 13. 13 minus 5 is, or who will tell me 13 minus 5 is 8. Right? And the dots means you have to put one less. Instead of 5 you have to put 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4. So that is your answer. And the last trick is you have to add this thing and you will get answer 745. That means your sum is right. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5 आ गया. फिर ones, that is ones. 8 plus 1, 9 plus 5, 14. 4 आ गया. Again ones. 4 plus 2 plus 5, 7. So that means your answer is right. So you have to just add these two figure, lower figure and your answer, and you will get the higher figure. That means you will get this answer. That means your sum is 100% right. Okay. Hopefully you like it. Please subscribe it, share it. Thank you very much.